Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Technically T hitting you with another, I was going to say case video for the 12 Pro Max, but this is going to be a tempered glass screen protector review for the 12 Pro Max. Now we do have the Caudabe CrystalShield, so of course a huge shout out to them for sending me over to review. Now we do have, once again, CrystalShield screen protectors, bringing it up close. Now I do have the camera a little bit zoomed in because we will be actually taking this out of the packaging and installing it on the 12 Pro Max. But you see it says non-hardness glass, crystal clear, and fingerprint resistant for iPhone 6.7-inch screens. So definitely nice packaging. If you already know about Caudabe, then you already know what time it is when it comes to this actual packaging and what they have going on. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's see what is actually in here. So that's going to be the box itself. Let's save the box because I think I'm gonna need this for the thumbnail when it comes to this. So let's go ahead and pop this actually out of the case and let's see what we have up in this whole package. So we do have one screen application kit, a second screen protector application kit, and we do have two screen protectors, and of course we get some little documentation right here, but that's not super important. Now, one thing that this is lacking is going to be an installation frame. So you got to go ahead and bring your big boy skills out when it comes time to installing this. Now usually what I do, if it's personally and not the video, I would probably find an old installation frame that I already have to slap it on and see how it works. But with this one, I don't. We're going to go just like you guys would do if this was your first time putting on this screen protector. So let's go ahead and pop my 12 Pro Max down on the table and let's go ahead and go through the things. Let's see what's in the screen protector kit here. So let's open it up and see what they have going on. So of course you get some dust stickers there. So we're going to put that right there. You get a little microfiber cloth to wipe out those, the griminess that's on your screen that's already. And we should have some alcohol wipes in here. We do. There it is. You get Caudabe branded alcohol wipes. So that's going to be a pretty good touch there. So let's go ahead and get to the actual process. Let's take the cleaning wipes out and let's pick the phone up and let's actually wipe this off. Now I just took a screen protector off, so therefore I think that you should be pretty good with what's on the actual screen itself. So let's go ahead and wipe. Not going to wipe too much because we should be pretty clean. Let's go ahead and get the microfiber cloth that they included. And this does feel very smooth. Definitely feels very good when we're talking about on the actual screen. So wipe. All right, let's put that down. Let's go ahead and get a dust removal sticker. So let's go ahead and take one of the removal stickers out. Let's pick it up, cut the screen off, and let's just kind of, if you see dust somewhere, let's just hit it and take some of that dust off. But I don't see much dust actually on the screen. Keep pressing it and it keeps popping the screen on. So yeah, all right, I think we're good to go. I think that's good. We don't have much dust on the screen. So let's go ahead and get down to the hard part. Now Caudabe, I would love for you to actually have an installation frame. It just makes it that much easy. One of the hardest things for people are putting screen protectors on, and this is going to be a little bit challenging. Not for me because I've done this I don't know how many times way before the trades were actually out there. So it is what it is. Now, one thing to take note of when it comes to this screen protector, you see it's one of those edge to edges, which means it goes all the way up to the very top and it covers the notch, just leaves the opening for the actual microphone there in the speaker. So that definitely should be a pretty good. I like these. If you don't like these, then that you might want to look somewhere else. But I really like these protectors that sit like that. So here it is. Now we're basically just gonna pop it down. And once again, this is probably going to be a little challenging, especially doing it on camera. Doing it on camera makes it even more hard. You might see my head pop in the frame trying to put it down to make sure I'm level. But let's drop it down. I feel like I'm off a little bit, but let's see. All right. Let it all adhere. All right. I think I might be over just a tad, but we're going to let it ride for this installation. We're not really going to get too anal about it or lifting it back up or anything like that. And let's just kind of go for it like it is. So this is the challenges that you're going to get when you are putting these type of screen protectors on. You might run into something where you might get it misaligned or saying it's pretty good. It has a little bit of air pocket on the actual outside, but it's good. For this installation, we're going to have to probably rock with it like this. it's hard to get these on because, yeah, you don't have any frame or anything like that. So it's just a little bit more tough. So let me turn that airplane mode on. So here it is, basically installed on the 12 Pro Max. Very smooth feeling. I don't know. I don't really want to do a super duper scratch test, but I don't know if that does anything for you. Just wipe it back down. But yeah, that's going to be the installation of the CrystalShield. Now let me see if I can kind of get like a, here we go. Let's get like a cable or something like here, and let's see if we can scratch it. Now this might mimic some type of, you know, coins in your pocket or something like that. So I just did all of that, and let's see if anything is actually on the screen. Pretty good. I don't see any scratches from what I just did, and I was basically using just a microfiber, you know, the micro USB port, scratching all over it. So I think that's pretty straight. It actually did that very well. It absorbed that well. So 9H hardness definitely seems like that is pretty accurate. But yeah, this is going to be the CrystalShield from Caudabe. Once again, it's not a super perfect installation, but you got it down pat. I probably could have moved it over just a little bit and it would have been actually perfect. It's kind of hard to do when you're behind the camera, but even with the, you know, the kind of slightly off misalignment, it doesn't have that many bubbles. It seems very smooth. You see me scratch it with the actual cable and there's no scratches on it. So there it is, man. This is going to be the CrystalShield from Caudabe. Just like I said, I definitely would like to see them put installation frame just to guarantee that 100% perfect fit every single time. But the good thing about it is you do get two. So if you mess up, you can definitely just slap it on, and they give you a second application kit as well. So I guess in the long run, that makes it all good as well. But anyway, technically, I'm getting up out of here, man. You already know I will leave the link to this screen protector down in the link below. Do all the YouTube things. And actually, let's pause for a second. Let's slap this case on to make sure the cases doesn't raise it up any. And I do not see any raises when it comes to the case. Now, this is the Caudabe Sheath. So we do actually have a Caudabe on Caudabe, so we should be good to go. We just wanted to show you that it does not push it up on the edges or raise it up, even though it does come to the very edge. So very nice job from Caudabe with this one. So yeah, once again, CrystalShield, link will be down below. Do the YouTube things. Until next time, everyone, please be safe. Catch you on the next one. Later.